हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे इज़ वेरी स्पेशल डे फॉर अस। तकरीबन 7 साल हो गए हैं हमारी जर्नी को और हमने हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी और एक ऐसी फैमिली के रूप में डेवलप किया है। मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा कि कई दफ़ा मैं बहुत ही एब्सेंट रहा क्योंकि बहुत सारे प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट थे, पर्सनल कमिटमेंट थे, तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाया। लेकिन आज का दिन इसलिए स्पेशल है क्योंकि हम हमारे चैनल को एक इंस्टीट्यूशन के रूप में डेवलप करने वाले हैं। ये बात हमारे लिए महत्वपूर्ण इसलिए है क्योंकि हम हमारे चैनल को लुकमान आईएएस के साथ एसोसिएट करने वाले हैं और अब हमारे चैनल का नाम यूपीसी टॉक्स होगा। और आज इसी इंपॉर्टेंट दिन के लिए हमारे चैनल पे लुकमान आईएएस के डायरेक्टर और मेरे अपने गुरु मिस्टर अंसारी सर हमारे साथ में हैं। सो लेट मी गिव द प्रिविलेज टू इंट्रोड्यूस मिस्टर अंसारी सर, प्लीज। थैंक यू सर।
Hello Deepak, how are you?
आई एम फाइन सर।
So welcome you all students to our new channel UPSC Talks. So you have been associated with Deepak for over 7 years as he mentioned, and certainly if you have been associated, so it would have been a very, let's say, lively and trustworthy relationship. So we'll hope that we will also continue that relationship, and this channel will become more institutionalized. As you know that ki Lukman IAS, so it was established in 2010, so we have completed almost 13 years and we have guided more than 1600 successful candidates. So we will try to make this channel more lively, you can say, resourceful, you can say, so that we can guide you better. So Deepak will share you further on this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. As I have become part of Lukman IAS, now I will be dealing with PSR optional, and for that, I am very happy to announce that we have started year-long test series of PSIR, and this test series is focusing on the basic conceptual understanding, and we will be helping you people to write answers and prepare you to face UPSC mains exam in PSR optional. So if you have PSR optional, you can join Lukman IAS, and if your friends are having PSR optionals, you can refer them to this program. And for GS programs, Ansari sir is having a larger vision. He will be sharing those views with you people.
This channel will be bringing you resources and guidance related to not only UPSC, but also state public service commissions and one-day examinations. All those one-day examinations which have similar syllabus and they ask questions which have the similar pattern of UPSC, like let's say SSC, banking, CLECT, NDA, CDS. These types of also competitive examinations we are going to cover. Basically, we want to provide the college goers a base for their competitive examination. Since college goers are not still clear about their future aspirations, that in which area they want to make their career, therefore what we have decided is that by the time you decide your career, that which career you are going to have in future, by that time you should prepare yourself so that once you decide which career you are going to opt, you are well prepared at least at foundation stage. And for that, that's why we have designed a program called Integrated Guidance Program for IAS preparation, which is of 2 years program. In that 2 years program, for first year it is called pre-foundation program, and in that pre-foundation we will try to provide you a common base, a common guidance which will help you in appearing in any such examinations like SSC, banking, NDA, CDS, EPFO, CPF, or a CAPF you can say, or let's say PCS public service examination. And by the time you become, let's say, clear, mature enough that you want to go for UPSC, so then you can join our 1 year foundation program. So in that 2 years foundation program, we have pre-foundation 1 year and next year 1 year called foundation cum advanced program. At pre-foundation level, you will be taught on Saturday and Sunday, both online and offline. Means those students who cannot come to Delhi, they cannot come to classes offline, online they can attend. And on Saturday and Sunday, we will guide you about NCRTs, essay writing, group discussion, so that current affairs, so that you are empowered if you want to appear by the time you are in college in any competitive examination. So you can appear in those examinations and you can make your future secure, economic security that we say. Many a time candidates want to make their life secure and then they want to go for UPSC preparation. So this pre-foundation is designed in that way to benefit all these students, including UPSC, let's say, those college goers who are clear that they are going for UPSC, they can also join. And at the same time, those who are not clear, they can also join. And once you have been empowered at the base foundation, then if you decide to prepare for UPSC, so we have another 1 year program which will have entire UPSC syllabus of GS Foundation, pre-com, mains, and we can guide you. And that way you will become a highly empowered person. You will be more confident. You will be better prepared vis-a-vis any other candidates, and you can even qualify UPSC. You can achieve your dream, which remains still the most prestigious career in our country. Therefore, this channel UPSC Talks is dedicated to help all those students, especially college goers, so that they are empowered, they are a better person, they are confident to appear in competitive examination, including UPSC. So, welcome you to our new channel, UPSC Talk.